girl.
Woo,
Now you got
there
it.
she goes.
All right.
That's a
Very
lot of
nice.
work.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at this.
What is it?
You know, yeah.
Wow, what'd you get,
There you
Isla?
go. Oh my goodness. What's that?
What'd you get?
Let's look at it. Let's see
Wow.
what is this? Is this who is this? Little mermaid doll.
Wow.
Isn't that nice? Yeah. That was fun to unwrap. Okay. You want the next one? Oh, you like
Contain yourself, little girl.
I know. Pretty exciting. Keep moving on. She's like, oh, goodness. Let's see if we can open her up and then you can see her up close. Can you say mermaid? Yeah,
Whoa,
she's your
you
little
said
mermaid. Yeah, what's her name? Ariel? Oh my goodness, this is Ariel in a box. She's came that way. Look
She's
at
going to be
here.
tied down, too.
Oh, tie down, take
Oh, yeah.
That's right. It's going to take an hour to get her
For
out.
shoplifters.
Release her.
Release the house.
It's like being released from Parker Center. Sounds like I'm pretending like I didn't hear that. Okay, let's take it out. Look at here. What's this? Is this your mermaid doll? Oh my goodness. Can you feel her hair? She's
You get the
nice.
breeze without the
She
sun.
says, hey Isla, how are you? She has shoes.
Shoes. Or just
Oh,
shoes.
she has shoes on. Oh, Isla, how about that?
Wow, Isla.
Yeah, you like her shoes? Grandma will take her out of the box for you.
She's almost as big as you,
I
Isla.
promise I can't keep. I just get
Do you
scissors.
need
I'll be right
scissors?
back.
Yeah.
Oh, change the batteries.
Oh, did you know where they are?